Hey y'all, today we're gonna be making some awesome chili cheese smash burgers, and we're gonna do it on my Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle. Like, you stick around for this one. What's up, guys? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ. Welcome to my kitchen. So glad you're here. Listen, like I said, smash burgers. That's all you really need to say. But when I throw a little chili and cheese on there, your mind is gonna be blown. All right, when I say chili, I mean the good old-fashioned Hormel chili right here. No beans. You can fight me in the comments. Beans don't belong in chili. All right, that's right, I said it. It needed to be said. All right, so really simple. We have some dry aged ground beef from Porter Road, which is the sponsor of today's episode. Team, if you found it difficult to find high quality meat locally, well, Porter Road's got you covered. Porter Road is an online butcher shop that delivers high quality meat directly to your door. They offer a wide variety of dry aged beef, pork, and chicken, including rare butcher's cuts, and hand cut each steak and chop to produce cuts you won't find in the grocery store. When visiting Porter Road online, shop like you would at your local butcher. You can order items a la carte, but Porter Road also offers a subscription box that you can check out. If you're interested in checking out Porter Road, click that link down below underneath the video description, sign up for their email, and get 10% off your first order, and tell them CJ sent you. All right, so we got our ground beef here. We're gonna make little 1/4 pound or so ounce patties. Basically, you're just gonna divide this into fours. And we're gonna make some pretty big smash burgers. We're gonna smash the hell out of them. They're gonna be nice and big. They're gonna lay on that bun. Gonna throw some chili on there. We're gonna make a little queso, little kind of half-hearted queso. We got a little Velveeta, little milk, and we're putting a little pepper jack in there. Nothing too crazy. Just, I like a, like a nice messy runny burger. And we're gonna get there with this cheese sauce and the chili, okay? Nothing left to do but get to it. Listen, it's hot outside and I do not wanna go out there and prep all this stuff. So we're prepping the chili and we're prepping the cheese in the house, on the stove, in the air conditioning like Mother Nature intended. Real quick though, I know we kind of over-talked this one a little bit. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. Hit that red button with that bell next to it. Listen, we're on a road to 100,000 and I need your help to get there. I wanna get there by the end of the year. Let's make it happen, all right? Okay, let's get these burgers prepped and then we'll get the chili and cheese and we're heading outside. All right, y'all, we're on the stove right now. We're gonna prep a little cheese sauce and we're gonna get that chili heated through, okay? Now, if you guys wanna take the time, make your own fancy chili, knock yourself out. We got things to do, doing a lot of filming today. Right now, I already have the Velveeta in the pan, kind of sliced it up, used about half a big brick. I forgot to mention that the recipe for this will be down below, a link to the website, printable recipe. You check it out, just in case I forget to mention something here. Real simple. Let's start melting this cheese and get the chili in. Okay, so we got our Hormel homemade chili. Not sponsored, but hey, I love me some Hormel chili. We get that nice plop. Stuff shouldn't make this noise. My camera crew back there thinks, I thought you did real cooking on here. Hormel chili. All right, we're gonna give this a little stir. Just make sure it's all unformed from the can. I'm gonna add a little milk, about a cup of milk to the Velveeta. And I got a couple cups of shredded pepper jack. I'm gonna throw 2 solid handfuls, probably about a cup, a little bit more, a little bit less. Go with your gut on it. You like a lot of pepper jack, get a lot of pepper jack. If not, don't sweat it. Last thing we're gonna add is a little sweet and spicier by Uncle Steve, right? Put a link down below for Uncle Steve's site. You know I like a little sweet heat in my queso. I suggest you give it a try too. All right, so we'll just put a tablespoon or so of that in there. Now we're gonna let that melt, that heat up, and then we'll get out on the griddle. Y'all, we're in back now. As you can see, it's a beautiful day here in Southern California. It's about 100 degrees, so your boy is perspiring a little bit, but that's okay. I do it because I love you. Listen, we have our chili warming up, our cheese warming up, our little queso, if you will. It's okay that they're metal pans on this. I'm not like shaking it all around. I'm not getting crazy with it. So just let them chill, catch that heat. Next thing we're gonna do is grill up some onions, or griddle up some onions as you will, because I like a nice caramelized griddled onion on my burger, right, Trent? Yeah, he shook his head yes. All right, Steven's back there, he's saying yes too. All right, so we're getting some onions with our chili cheese Smashburgers. Let's start with the onions. Get a little oil down, wherever that oil would be, over here. Right. Just a little olive oil. Get those onions on. We're gonna use a little Uncle Steve's Lucky Shake for the actual Smashburgers. I'm gonna go ahead and throw it in my onions too. I'll put a link down below for this stuff if you guys wanna get some. This adds a little extra flavor. We get all these onions working, and we'll come back, start working on them Smashburgers. All right, team, our onions are nice and griddled. We're gonna move them over to the warming side and let them continue or finish up over there. Guys, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's some gardeners going on right now. It always happens when you try to shoot outside. Someone's fired. Hopefully he'll be done soon so we get those Smashburgers done. Come on back. Team, the gardener took a break. We're gonna get these burgers on before he starts firing up whatever he's cooking again. Let's go ahead and get these on. We're gonna do 4 big boys right now. We do a couple double burgers. We're seasoning them up with that Lucky Shake. Season up our burgers. You only really need to season one side. I'm gonna go ahead and get these smashing. I'm gonna give it about 10 seconds or so, and we'll start smashing. And you guys know I use this as my press. Whatever seasoning I'm using becomes my burger press. All right, by the time I'm done pressing those, get the other one over. All right, we built that good crust. This is normally when I add a little extra American cheese on there, but since we're going with the queso cheese right now, we're good to go, okay? Gonna go ahead and get a couple buns toasted up too. And we'll come back and we'll build these. Okay, our buns are toasty. Start building these burgers. Get those lovely, tasty, juicy. Get a little onions on there. Just want them to kind of show off a little bit. Next thing, we're gonna add the cheese and the chili to go on the onions. We'll just add a spoonful, maybe 2 or 3 spoonfuls. These are messy burgers, folks. Don't get it twisted. This is gonna be a big old meaty, cheesy mess. Let's get some of that queso on. Woo, look at that. Just, it's like going everywhere. One more little nugget full of that. Look at that pushing off over the side. All right, let's crown our masterpieces right here. All right, there we go. There's your dish. Come on back. We're gonna give these ones a try. It's gonna get everywhere. I'm gonna go get a towel. All right, y'all, the hard work's paid off, right? We got our big old burger here. I know my dog's just waiting for me to take a bite and everything to fall out. So, you see it? Big baby right here. All right, let's take a big old bite. Yep, something already fell. Where's Charlie at? All right, let's go. Cheers. All right, towel right here, baby. Guys, that was definitely towel worthy. Big old meaty, cheesy explosion. So damn good. Give it a try. Tell me what you think, for sure. Remember, chili has no beans. All right, guys, if you want to get yourself one of these Pit Boss Ultimate Griddles, I'll throw a link down below. All right, check it out. It's an affiliate link. Don't cost you anything extra, but it helps out the channel. I have the Pit Boss griddle tools that I was using for the Ultimate Griddle. I'll put a link down below for those too. If you guys want to get the knives, cutting boards, merch, all the stuff I use in my videos, hit those links down below too. If you guys want to become a show producer like all these awesome chili cheese loving people, hit that join button right next to the subscribe button, which you should have already hit by now. But other than that, we are done. Listen, guys, I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful week. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.